So welcome to the land again. This section is a wider view of the land, and here we have a lot of bamboo growing. And the reason why we grow bamboo is this particular section of the land. Much of the year it experiences a lot of wind, and we thought the best crop or the best plant to grow is a really fast growing one and a really tough one, and we made a decision to grow bamboo. And as you can see, the variety that we have here is the Oldhamii, and this has been in the ground for approximately 3 months, I think, and now it's starting to shoot. And I've mulched it and I put some fertilizer in it, and it has regular amount of water twice a week as much as we can. And when we bought it, it was really, it was twice this height, but for transportation reason we have to shorten it, or else it wouldn't fit in the trailer or the car. But the most important thing is that it lives and the new shoots are coming out, and it is doing very fine, and we're very happy that it's actually survived the summer. And now we're kind of like heading into autumn, and yeah, these are our bamboo Windbreak section. The next variety that we have is the black Timor, and basically they grow into this beautiful black bamboo, and all the bamboo that I bought are the clumping species, so they're not gonna run everywhere and create havoc on the land. This variety here is the giant green variety. At the moment it doesn't look like a giant because it has been cut down at the top and it hasn't reached its full maturity, so it's still a little skinny little thing, but eventually it will grow very big. This is the giant gold bamboo, and most of the bamboo we grow here are edible, minus the black Timor and the ghost bamboo and the Chungii, I think that's what they're called. So this is the giant gold bamboo, and this is our date. The one I'm not sure whether I showed this before in previous video, but we bought 2 dates, and we didn't know what to do with it, so we just grow it here amongst the bamboo. Maybe it's not a good location, but anyway, they seem to be doing well. So we've got one here, and the other one is just a little bit down the way. This variety is the Chungii that I mentioned before. It's the only one of its kind, and when we bought it, it was the only one left, and when we planted it in the ground, it's the only one that dies. Well, you can see like it dies here and there, and I was so devastated because I thought, that it's not going to regrow, but fortunately a new shoot came out and it still survived to this day, and we hope to have more so then we can propagate it in the future. And I'll show you some more Oldhamii. That's really cool because the shoots are just amazing. Look at that. And the one down here. Look how massive these are. They're not big like the giant bamboo, but they are edible. You can harvest that and eat it, but we're not going to do that. We need some windbreak happening here because the wind is crazily strong. This right here, I have forgotten the name. I think it's called Seabreeze something type of bamboo, and it's a smaller variety like the I think multiplex, like the Japanese multiplex type of bamboo. So they're quite small, and luckily it's the clumping type as well. So they're growing really well. So that is pretty much us and what we've been doing on the land, and yeah, it's been a long time since we did a video about our project, but this is just a section as a start and just to help us motivate us to get along on our journey. And I'll say goodbye from here. See ya.